Hi, I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Today I am going to be doing my very first unboxing from what I purchased in Paris. And it is my very first Celine bag. And I am super excited to share this with you. This was the bag I said in my wish list. I said, there is one bag that I know I want. I am not even going to show you anything from the brand because I know I am getting it. So the few times that we went to Las Vegas this year, I did go in and try it on. Most recently when I picked up my Birkin 25. Didn't go in any other luxury stores except for Celine, and I tried this bag on. So before we get into that, let's do the jewelry of the day. I am really just into my diamonds. I have not been wearing them lately, so wearing them kind of non-stop right now. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Melinda. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I would love it if you could just take a moment and hit that subscribe button down below. So let's get right into this. And this is going to make sense to you if you follow me why I wanted this particular bag. So it came in this giant bag. Apparently Celine does not do boxes. So we kind of ended up in the wrong Celine store. We had gone to walk around in Paris from Place Vendôme, and then we were just walking down the streets and I saw a Celine, and it was a really tiny store. And then after I purchased this, I saw the bigger store, but it made no difference because this was what I wanted. They were very nice to us. They offered us champagne, or they named a whole bunch of beverages. We just took water, and I immediately said, can I try this bag on? And they said, sure. So I tried it on, and I said, do you have a new one in the back? And they said yes, and I said, I'll take it. I don't think they've seen somebody shop like that. I had that back pain going on. I knew what I wanted, and I wanted to get it, and I wanted to go on. So here is the dust bag, and I will be turning the camera around and sharing what fits in the bag, and I will also be sharing mod shots of the bag. So let's get right into it. Any guesses? What do you think? I'm not going to ask you to write down below. Just, but what are you thinking I got? They have a lot of beautiful things. I got the Heloise in the size medium, in this beautiful, I don't know what they call it. They call it tan or caramel or what. But yeah, it was so funny. He was like, when I said, I want it, I'll take it. He's like, do you even know the name of the bag? I'm like, Heloise. He's like, okay. I'm like, I speak handbags. That is what I speak. So I am going to insert, right now, I'll just insert it really quickly. I tried on the small and the medium, and I didn't try on the large, but I'm going to pause this for a second and I'm going to insert that footage. The small is brand new and crossbody. I have plenty of crossbody bags, and the large was too large for me. This was Goldilocks, so let me pause this for you. Oh, here's the large size. So let me show you the medium next to the large. And, sorry, I'm taking it off. So there's a comparison of all three. So this is the new small Heloise, and this is the medium size, and there's now a new large size as well. So that is what the three sizes look like. The small was super cute, but this was definitely the one that I wanted. So if you follow me on a regular basis, you will have seen when I unboxed my Capucines BB in the picnic in the wicker that I had said that I had used a store credit from Louis Vuitton. My Loop Hobo GM was waving down the front. If I still have photographs of that, I will insert it. That was my second bag. The first one did it almost immediately, and then the other one started to do it. I decided They did come out with an empreinte, but I decided I have empreinte bags and I wanted to do something different. So I still wanted that hobo shape, which this gives you, of course, because it's a hobo, and the leather on this is so incredibly buttery, soft. It is just beautiful. And if you don't want the Triomphe logo, you just turn the bag around. This is one of those kind of bags, you know, if somebody's really into handbags, they will know. And if they're not, they'll just think you have a cute hobo bag. So if you want to be kind of under the radar, low key, quiet luxury, I personally hate the quiet luxury thing, but if you want to be that, this bag will do that. So I'm going to be inserting the detail on the bag. It says Celine on the leather straps. It says Celine on the gold zipper. It says Celine up here on the hooks. And I am going to insert some mod shots right now of it on the longest, the middle, and the shortest strap. There are 3 strap drop options on this bag. I prefer the longest one. So inside of the bag, I have not opened this. There is a little booklet from Celine. It just says, made in Italy, Heloise in tan. So tan is what they call it. And yeah, I didn't even ask where it was made or anything. I was just like, I'll take it. So let me get the stuffing out and show you the inside. So I saved, oh my goodness, I'm blanking out. I will write it down below. It ended up, because of the exchange rate being $300 higher than when I had calculated it at home, but I think it was still $1,300 to $1,500 less. I'm pretty sure, with the VAT back, which is value added tax. Another thing that I like about this bag is that it's all leather. The inside is suede. This is an all leather bag. And I just feel, compared to the price of the Louis Vuitton loop, I just liked this better. I did love that chain on the loop, but honestly, it was a little bit too short. It should have been a little bit longer to drape better. It's already slouching, even with nothing in it. I'm so happy with this. I absolutely love this bag. I was so proud of myself. I stuck to what I had said I was going to do. I knew there were 2 bags that I wanted. This one, I have another one coming up, and then I got a really fun bag, but I didn't go bonkers, and I'm very proud of myself. So I'm going to turn the camera around right now. I'm going to show you what fits into it. I am going to be reaching out to Zimone. I have not looked yet to see if they have an organizer for this bag. I do still have my organizer from my loop, so I may see if that fits, but I don't think that it will. But look at it. It's just like, oh, it's smiling at you. It's happy. I'm happy. So let's turn that camera around, and if I haven't already, I can't remember what I've said, I'm going to insert mod shots on all 3 of the, I might have already inserted them. I am so jet lagged still. I cannot remember what I said 5 minutes ago. But anyways, turn it around, show you what fits, and then I'm going to give you my final thoughts. So I got a new tripod, y'all. I'm very excited about it. It's taller, so it should be easier to see things. So I just have my usual things that I carry with me. Zoe wallet, mini pochette. Let me come around to this side. It's a really big tripod. My Clear prescription glasses, sunglasses, prescription, a Bastia with a clip-a hook in there. Get these. These are awesome. I also have an AirTag. These are like $9 or something. They will literally hold a full Chanel jumbo, like if you're out to eat and don't know where to set your stuff. Gum, tissue, my keys in a Louis Vuitton clay, and my phone. And obviously, we know this is all going to fit, but let's just see what it looks like inside the bag. Hold it open like that. Ooh, I'm liking this tripod. So the mini pochette. I don't have full-size wallets anymore, but clearly this is going to fit a full-size wallet. Definitely it will. Let me try to get my light. So hopefully, let's get this other light over here. It's stuck on the cord. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, just trying to make it where you can see. There we go. Okay, so we've got the wallet, we've got the the mini pochette, the clay, and tissue and gum, phone. That will fit any size phone easily, Bastia, and then the 2 glasses. And tons and tons of room. You wanted to bring a water bottle, you want to put a scarf on top in case you get chilly. I mean, there's a lot of room in this bag. So let's see how heavy it is, because I never tried my things in it. Oh, it's not bad at all. Ooh, look at the slouch. Oh, I love that. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I love it. Okay, that is what fits. Okay, so I grabbed my loop organizer, and no, it is not going to work. It's not going to work, so that is okay. So I will be on their website when I finish this video to see if there is an organizer. Obviously, I can't give you wear and tear or any of that, but I am absolutely thrilled with it. I love the feel of this leather. It is just has such a beautiful, beautiful hand to it. It is so soft, so supple, and it just molds to your body beautifully, and it's the perfect replacement for my loop bag. Very, very happy to have added this. So I hope that was helpful if you are considering this. I could not find a single video all summer trying to find this in the leather. I found a few in the canvas version, and I definitely did not want to go with canvas again, although it probably behaves differently than the Louis Vuitton, but I definitely wanted a leather bag, and I wanted this color. I just love it. So thank you for letting me share. I hope you have an amazing day today, and I hope to talk to you again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.